Spaceship Taco. What an idea for Christmas dinner! Don't forget to subscribe. First, we need ground meat. You can use ground chicken, beef, pork, or whatever you like. And then we need cilantro. And 1 onion. Cut it up. Then chop it up. Then put them in a bowl right now. Then wash the cilantro. Dry it with paper towel. Cut it up. Then chop it up. Then put them in the bowl for now. Put some frying oil in the frying pan and heat it up. Then fry the chopped onion in the frying pan. Keep on frying it until caramelized. Don't forget to turn on the exhaust fan. Then put down the ground meat. Get the stock and get about 1 cup of it. And pour the stock over the ground meat and the onion. Keep stirring it. Get the taco mix. Pour it over the chicken mixture. Stirring them well. Make sure they are mixed well too. Pour the chopped up cilantro over the mixture and mix them well. And put them in a bowl. Get the papaya to make the spaceship. Cut the papaya into 2 lengthwise. I used a long knife and meat pounder to cut it. Because it's half ripe, so it's still a bit hard. There you are. Finally, it's cut into 2. Now we have to clean the inside part. Scrape all the seeds out until it's all clean like that. Then we've got to peel the skin off. Now it's all clean like that. Get the rutabaga. Cut off the skin until it's all clean like that. Then cut it into two using long knife and meat pounder. This is the base for the spaceship. Put them in the pot and water. Put it in the stove and boil it. As soon as it's boiling, take them out and turn off the stove. Cool them off in a plate. Get the sweet potatoes and clean them off. Boil them in a pot. As soon as it's boiling, turn off the stove. Because we want it half cooked. Take them out and put them in a plate. Try to arrange the composition of the spaceship in a plate. Now with rutabaga as the base. Let's get the soft tortilla bowl. And trying to make a composition for the tortilla bowl on top of the spaceship. Nope, didn't work. It's too big. So I use a bigger plate and make a different composition and arrangement. All right, it seems to be working now. But we need the sweet potato for filling. Peel the skin off first, of course, until everything is clean like this. Cut a little bit of the rutabaga top to make it flat. So the papaya can sit on top of it nicely. Trying to arrange your tortilla balls on top of papaya. That's it. That's the arrangement I like to have. 2 bowls on top of 1 papaya. But the hollow part in papaya needs to have filling from the sweet potato. Just like that to support the 2 tortilla bowls. And then we have to do the same thing to the other half of papaya. With this one, we have to have many kinds of shapes of sweet potatoes. Then arrange the papaya on top of rutabaga. Secure it with bamboo stick. We're using multicolor lights for the spaceship's lighting. Uh-oh, the spaceship is not sturdy. We have to secure it with more bamboo sticks. There, it's secure now. Now, it's time to put lighting around the spaceship. Just do the best you can. It's not really easy to do it. Stick small bamboo stick on the papaya on the edge to hang the lighting. There, I finished on one spaceship. There you go. It really looks nice already. And then we have to do to the other one too. Yay! They're both working now. They really look nice. For taco filling, we're going to use avocado also, cherry tomatoes, and cheddar cheese. Cut up the avocados. Arrange the tortilla ball on the top. Fill the bowl with the ground meat that we cooked earlier. Just like that. Then put shredded cheddar cheese on top of it. Arrange the sliced avocado on the side. Arrange the cherry tomatoes on the top middle. Arrange some Christmas flower leaves in the bottom as decoration. There you are, our spaceship taco for our Christmas dinner. Made of inexpensive ingredients to make it look like expensive dinner. Merry Christmas!